can get up to that tree, but what's wrong? What's past that tree? I think I'm going to chicken out. It doesn't look like a trek, does it? Not really. And let's go. Welcome to the ride. What a beautiful day it is. It's the warmest day we've had in 2026, I think, because we've had such a cold winter. Anyway, I'm Soraya, and I took my motorbike test 1 week before my 57th birthday, so never say you're too old, because you're not too old. I have to stop because I don't have anything on the sat-nav. And I don't want to go on this road all the way because there's a track I want to take. And for all I know, it's that one. So, let's stop somewhere and see. It's just not doing anything, matey. We have gone past it. Let's go back round and look for it then, if this will route me there. Right, let's go and see. Back we go. So hopefully now we're going to turn left onto a track that I've never done. Exciting. I've done it wrong again. So now I'm going back to the start instead of to the track. I don't want the start. I just want to be en route. And Spotify keeps playing. I don't know why that is either. Now I've got a bug in my helmet. Today is just not my day, right? So far. Did it go? Oh, you see, that stupid thing's playing when I don't want it also. All clear. Let's go. Now it looks like it's routing. Welcome to the ride today. So the funny thing is, the first time I turned around, I hadn't even got past the turn. This track. We're going to go and explore this track. So if we go, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Well, let's stop here and have a look at the view. Beautiful, eh? So that flat top mountain and the little town, if you can see it on the bottom left of it, that town is Allardyce. And then flat top mountain looks spectacular, right? Anyway, that's where we're heading. So let's carry on. 50 metres straight on. Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I didn't know what to do. This looks like a track that you get cars on, so you have to bear that in mind. Super track, wow. Oh. Which way? Oh, I think I've been here before. Not the bit I've just done, but I think I recognise this junction. I think we've been here before. But which way was it? I don't understand it. Is it left or is it right? It's very unclear. I think it's right. Yeah, looks like I'm on the right track. swarm of bees I just went through. I don't know what, but they were big. I wonder if you could see them on the camera. Probably not. Look at this. Is this pretty? Is this pretty? That's the thing that, you know. Oh, where are we going? Let's check where we're going before we get carried away. We go around the corner here or what? Hey, absolutely no idea which way that means. Does it mean up here? Why do I find it so hard to read the map? This doesn't look right. This definitely doesn't look right. This is the way it's taking me. Oh, sugar, should I carry on? What if I can't get back? Doesn't look really very travelled, does it? The problem is I'm always worried because the thing is, I am on my own. If I get stuck, then what happens? I just don't trust it that that is a track. I think I'm going to chicken out. It doesn't look like a track, does it? Not really. But, oh, I'm actually riding into the field. Let's get out of the field before farmer tells me off. Joking. So I don't think this can be the way I came before. I don't recognise it. And where do you think that one goes? Let's look on maps. Welcome to the worry world of Saran. According to this, I think I should be able to go up there. Let's give it a go. Let's have a look. If not, we come back. Turning into adventure. This for me is an adventure. Wow. I'm glad I changed tracks. This is super. This looks like a well-travelled track. Wow, look at that. Is that beautiful or not? Welcome to the green. So these fields are all planted out with trigo, which is wheat, inland from Malaga where we are. Oats are also huge, so you get wheat and oat fields, and everything turns green and it's lovely. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All the olive trees on the left and the right. The olive groves. Go and have a look. I'm not going to win any prizes for being fast today. Getting around this route fast, I think I'll be on for hours. Hours and hours and hours. It's hot, hot, hot. What a lovely day. What a lovely ride. Okay, so that one looks like it's busy with roadworks. So I'm going to go under the bridge and turn left. See what that does. I don't know. Just going to take... I have no idea. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I must have been meant to go left there. Well, let's just carry on and see where we go. We can always come back, right? There's some sheep. It's not that often you see sheep around here, mainly it's goats. Of course there are prettier tracks, but this is still pretty. Pretty. What fun, eh? What fun. Life in your 50s is about living. That's one thing I've discovered and realised, and in your 60s for sure too. I'm not at 60 yet, but life in your 50s is about living with joy, being who you are, really who you are. You release all those layers of trying to fit in or trying to please people or just being how people want you to be, expect you to be. So I have come out here before, so I must have done some of that track before, but it was still an adventure. An adventure.